Hello world! Hello to all the visionaries out there! So, last time, gumawa ako ng video na how to start your online business. So, pag-uusapan pa rin natin ngayon today yon. But, this is a series, this is a episode and it's 5 videos na tuloy-tuloy para mag-guide kita on how you will start your business. Okay, so let's dive into our video. Alright, so if you want to have your own business online, especially sa online talaga, so kailangan talagang meron ka talagang mga step na gagawin para baga hindi ka nang huhula, di ba? So you will enjoy having this one if you know these tips or this step na kailangan mong malaman for today. And if you're not yet subscribed into my YouTube channel, you can subscribe so that nanonotify ka dito sa mga susunod nating episodes. This is episode 1 and then abangan mo yung episode 2, 3, and 4, and 5 ng ating video. So I will make a playlist of this so that meron kang makita o meron kang tuloy-tuloy na mapag-aralan. So, okay, so how to start your online business. So, paano ba mag-start talaga ng business ngayon? So, number 1 step that I can give you is to decide what business to start. So, again, alam ko, ilang beses ko na rin ito nabanggit sa'yo. You need to decide. So, kailangan mo magkaroon ng isang decision. Dahil alam naman natin to na huwag naman tayo masyadong, yun nga, huwag kang masyadong sa sarili mo na kapag dinesisyon mo, yun na. No? Kung ma-found out mo na hindi naman siya, so you can dive into another ideas that you have. So, ang kagandahan nito, hindi ka muna magbe-build ng marami. So, you will test it before you make a product or before you launch it, no, mag-spend ng maraming time. So, ang kailangan lang is meron kang umpisahan. So, mas maganda na yung may na-i-start ka kasi may nale-learn ka doon sa mga uumpisahan mo. And then, after that, again, ulitin ko, kung na-found out mo na hindi yun talaga yung gusto mo at hindi uubra doon sa mga alam mo, di ba? You can dive into another ideas. Kaya nga, mas maganda, list down mo yung mga idea mo. But you need to decide today if you want to start. Okay? So, you can't move forward without deciding. So, kailangan mag-decide ka so that you can move forward. Yan. So, that is our step number 1. Let's dive into our step number 2. Write a business plan. So, you need to have a business plan. So, para lalong maging clear sa'yo kung ano yung business mo. You need to have a simple business plan. So, again, I want you to grab my simple business plan checklist na makakatulong sa'yo talaga kung ano yung mga kailangan mong planuhin. So, it's a simple one because pag nag-i-start ka, syempre, lalo na solopreneur ka pa lang, gusto mo palang mag-start talaga ng sarili mo, huwag masyadong cluttered or hindi masyadong mahirap intindihin. So, yung ginawa kong business plan checklist na nakatulong din sa akin para maintindihan ko yung business ko because I want a simple one and a clear one. You can grab it. I will put the link on the description. It's a free one. It's a checklist for you. And of course, after mo na maibigay yung email mo dun sa website na meron ako ngayon, you will have your free checklist. So that is a clear for me and clear for you. So again, you need to write a business plan. You need to make a planning. No? Pag walang plano, you are planning to nothing. Yeah. Yes, that's why you need to have a plan. Okay, so we will dive into our step number 3. You need to validate your idea. So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng validation. So, how you will validate your idea? So, if you don't have, like me, I don't have a massive audience, so massive client pa ngayon because I'm starting out and you want to validate your idea. So, pag meron ka mga nakitang interesado dun sa mga gusto mong products or gusto mong gawin, like me, I have an online course and I want to help those in the vision na matulungan ko sila magkaroon sila ng income, profitable income, so that they can do yung pinaka-importanting bagay sa life nila, because I do believe that ministry, doing the business of God, is a very important thing na kailangan natin ginagawa, and family time. So I want them to package their skills, package their knowledge, into a online course, so that they will have their income, especially online. So para ma-validate mo yon, pwede ka munang sa mga contact person mo, like friends, churchmate, families. So I have my contact person, and I'm sharing to them my ideas, and then para yun yung mga pain nila makikita mo, yung mga struggles nila makikita mo, so that bago mo gawin talaga yung full courses or kaya full product na meron ka, is makita mo yung mga problem and pain, yung mga solution na pwede mo pang ilagay. So that in the near future, pwede mo siyang i-package, and then after that, pwede mo na siyang ibenta ng mas malaking price. So you need to validate it first before you will make a lot of time in the product. So tingnan mo muna kung ano yung makakatulong. Kaya nga, you need to talk to the real human before you make it. Sa online courses, coaching, consultancy, sa mga online businesses, lalo na yung mga services, kailangan mo na talaga, you need to understand. Meron din akong palang live last time sa Facebook page at saka sa YouTube channel. What will you do if you have a lot of ideas? So meron din akong free worksheet on that. You can grab it also. It's all free. And again, I will put the link also in the description, so that you will know yung sinasabi kong kailangan mo talagang makilala muna kung sino yung mga customers or target client mo, so that you can validate the product. So before you make it, before you turn into courses, effort ka na ng maraming time, di ba? Especially sa mga solopreneur at saka sa mga nag-i-start pa lang. Pwede kang dalawa yung investment mo, time or money. So most of the time is time. Okay, so yun talaga. So you need to validate first your idea. Okay, so let's dive into our number 4 step. You need to set up your website. So you need to understand that we don't own the platform, the Facebook page, the Instagram, the YouTube, the LinkedIn, the TikTok. So hindi natin kontrolado yung mga mangyayari. The algorithm, we don't know. But we have to own our business. So by having a website. So merong mga website na konti lang yung maintenance. So yearly, magbabayad ka lang ng domain. Like my website, domain lang. Hindi man siya ganun talaga ka-expensive. Yearly, renew lang namin yung domain namin. So again, ito, isa rin itong offer sa iyo kasi 10 years nang nag-work yung asawa ko, and he make a website. So he can make you a website. Or you can you can message me if you want your own website, so that you can monetize it more. Kasi mas maganda, own mo talaga yung platform. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, kung ano yung gusto mong ipalabas, or mga gusto mong makita, ma-build sa yung business, pwede mong gawin sa yung sariling website. So like Lazada and Shopee, tingnan nyo naman, dahil meron sila mga sariling website, gumanda yung kanilang mga, yumaman sila, in short. Because they have their own website. So, into this website talaga, doon mo rin mabubuo yung kailangan ng isang business person. The email list. Yan. So, again, marami din namang free tools like MailChimp, ConvertKit, maraming mga na tools na free. But, if you have your own website, sa website mo na sila papasok mismo. So, again, it's a good one to have. Sa'yo talaga yung website na yan. So, again, hindi man to masyadong pero mas sasabi ko sa'yo na mas maganda. Because in branding, maging legit ka, legal is to have your own website. And step number 5 na tayo. Step number 5 is set up your business book or finances. So, nag-set up ako ng another account for my business, so that lahat ng mga papasok na income from my business ay aparte dun sa aming personal account o mga business o mga sarili naming pera. Because para makita mo yung magkano ba yung profit, magkano ba yung kinikita mo, ilan pa yung i-goal mo para dun sa goal mo na finance, diba? And mas maganda yun para hindi ka nalilito. Actually, sa marami kong mga naging business, physical business ko talaga, ang nangyayari, na isasama ko sila sa aking mga personal business. That's why I don't have monitoring kung magkano talaga. So, isang failure yon sa mga business person. That's why you need to set up a book, finance book. So, we can do that on spreadsheet. Libre yun sa Google, di ba? So, gusto mo na simple para makita mo lang talaga kung ilan yung pumasok, ilan yung lumabas, at ano yung mga in-invest mo, so that it will be clear to you. Alright, so ito yung isa rin malaking part sa maraming malaking part talaga sa business. But number 6 steps is to need to build a sales machine. So, para tuloy-tuloy yung sales mo, syempre, kailangan mo ng sales para masabi mong business. Yung business mo, kailangan mo ng mga customers. So, you need to build a sales machine. How can you do that? So, sa mga kagaya ko na maliliit pa lang talaga yung mga audience, kasi dun pa lang talaga natin sila mas-sales talk by doing content, sa pamagitan ng paggawa ng video, vlogging, so writing a blog, podcast, or sa Instagram, no? Sa Instagram, madalas nila rin ginagamit para sa business. But my main platform is the YouTube channel, and then sinusupport ng Facebook page and Instagram. But my main platform is YouTube channel, which is gusto ko talaga na maging visible ako dun sa mga target market o target audience ko. So, that is one of the sales machine na kailangan tuloy-tuloy mo. And then, of course, it take a call of action. Yan. So, this is a call of action. I've been, live ako last time, Thursday night, 6 p.m. nag-live ako. And then, I will make a live session again on what to do if you have a lot of ideas in building a business. So, nag-live ako ng Thursday, and I will make a live session on Monday, 6 p.m. on Facebook page and YouTube channel. I will try if it is useful pa sa YouTube channel kasi nahirapan kami. Actually, yung pagsiset-up talaga, 30 minutes pa. Pero again, kasama yun sa building a machine or a sales machine. Kasi nga, tuloy-tuloy kang gumagawa ng content. Sinesell mo yung products or business or ideas na meron ka. So that tuloy-tuloy yung mga customer, tuloy-tuloy yung mga followers, tuloy-tuloy yung mga nais mong matulungan. Yan. So, you need to have a social media platform, a blogging one, and also a lot of visibility. Pero, kagaya ko na nag-start na talaga since 2019, ang pinaka maganda talaga is to share to your friends, families, and contact people. Because, dun talaga makikita mo na if they are interested to your product or to your business. So, I hope it clear to you. If it is not, you can comment on below and then ask a question on how to build your own business online. And then, again, ulitin ko, this is 5 episodes, this is 5 videos na gagawin ko para matulungan kita step by step kung paano talaga makapag-build ng business online. So, in today's video, I hope na natulungan kita and na-inspire kita, and I will see you on the next video. Again, all the 2 free checklists and worksheet are in the description below. The link will be in there. And then, note ko ulit sa'yo, on Monday, March 21, 6 p.m., I will have a live session, tutorial, training, workshop for you to know how to build your own online business and what to do to your many ideas, diba? So, again, this is Jhem Salcedo. I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo, and see you on another video. Bye! God bless!